When removing the instant underflow dam, responders should wear personal flotation devices and remain on the upstream side of the dam during the removal process. Remove the ballast weights or rocks from the front flap. After responders have removed the ballast weights and are on the shorelines, one responder can lift the corner of the dam to let water begin flowing under the barrier. Continue lifting a wider part of the front flap until the barrier begins to slip. Move forward with the slipping barrier to support the front flap and keep it out of the water. This prevents the barrier from rolling over and makes it easier to remove it from the stream. When the barrier has stabilized, allow the water in the stream to flow normally. Use the large black handles on the barrier to remove it from the water and allow any remaining water to drain from the dam. After removing the dam from the stream, clean and dry it for future use. Download the user guide for our instant underflow dam so that you'll always have product specifications, chemical resistance information, and instructions handy.